My reactions about the video is number 8, which is challenges for young entrepreneurs by Matt Goldstein. Starting a business is a challenge, but it's an achievable challenge. One of the biggest things is getting finance, because often young entrepreneurs don't have a credit history or assets they can use for security. But if you want to pursue your dreams as an entrepreneur, there are many ways to do. You get a part-time job, like Mark Gochans did before he became a young entrepreneur. They undergone different jobs until such time he find a great job. At 18 years old, he had been part of the oil company. That is why he said that don't waste your job, find time and pursue your dreams. Being an entrepreneur, you should keep up with innovation because innovation happens in the blink of an eye. One of the biggest challenges facing entrepreneurs today is new technology that could make their business or strategy obsolete. With the rapid pace of innovations, it's important to identify trends that will affect your business and stay ahead of the curve. Another thing is being a young entrepreneur is you should know how to manage cash flow. When starting business can be really tricky, it takes money to make money, which can be a huge challenge for a budding business that hasn't yet established a consistent cash flow. For me, as a working student, I made sure that I had an emergency fund in place for myself from the beginning so that I had some buffer while we were working on getting to a more consistent cash flow. Eventually, everybody can be an entrepreneur these days. No matter how young it is to start a business, but the way you stand out from the practice by building your creativity, along with the creativity of your product or service. If an entrepreneur can create trust with the customer, they have no chance of surviving in this crowded world. So thank you for listening.